then tukahama huko, tukahamia huko.
So guys, on Friday, one of my cousins invited me to go and spend some time with them. So I went, and it was afternoon, so I went and met. They had prepared very nice meal for lunch, so we shared the food together. We shared stories and some memories. It was so nice to meet them because imekuwa many years kutoka tuonane na wao. It was my pleasure to meet them. So guys, you can see there, we took some pictures, we created and cherished the moments we had together. Then later I went back home and prepared some dinner for my family. So there I was lighting a jiko and I boiled some beans, and that's how my afternoon was like, guys. Hello guys, welcome again to this channel, and today being on Saturday, I want to go and take my daughter to the salon so that she can change her hair. Then later I will go to the market and buy small items that I don't have in my kitchen. So guys, I don't know whether I'll be able to vlog when I'm in the market, so I'll just show you when I'm back. So guys, let's meet on the other side.